The equal to highlight cell rule will highlight a cell whose cell value is equal to your specified value. Select one or more cells in a range. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, click the arrow next to Conditional Formatting, and then select the Highlight Cell Rules, select the equal to. This will open a dialog box where you can specify the value and the appearance option. Apply to the range is showing the selected cells. Rule type is showing selected rule. Enter a specific value into the input field. Excel will compare selected cell values with this value. If cell values are equal to this, then Excel will apply formatting on those cells. Select the desired appearance from the drop-down menu. You can customize the appearance by changing the fill color, font color, and border type. Now click Done. It highlight cell rule will highlight cells that exactly match the specified value. The equal to highlight cell rule also works with text values. To format text, repeat the procedure. Cells that exactly match the specified value will be highlighted. By using Conditional Format box, you can add new rules or edit and delete existing rules.